If you want to know how to blur the background video on Capcut, like this, so in this video I will show you how to blur the background video on Capcut. And if you find this topic useful to you, please take 3 seconds, like the video, and let's get started right now. First, we will add a video to timeline like this. Then I'll copy and paste this video onto the timeline above. Make sure both videos have the same starting point, like this. As you can see, the video above is an overlay of the video on the main timeline. In the overlay video, I will use background removal for the video, keeping only the main object, which is this man. Right at the Basic tab, select Cutout, scroll down and select Auto Cutout. Like this now, I will show you the video on the overlay, only this man remains, right? Next at Video on the main timeline, select the Effects tab, then select Video Effects, then continue to select Lens. Next, scroll down and select Blur Effects. Drag and drop Blur Effect to video on the main timeline, like this. On the screen you can see that the main subject, the man, is clear, while the surrounding background is blurred. You can adjust the background opacity by selecting this small star icon, then customize the opacity right here. So you have learned how to blur the background of video on Capcut. I hope it will be useful to you. Support the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and see you in the next videos.